Since 1887, Yamaha has been creating a range of instruments that inspired musicians for generation after generation. And they wanted to connect with musicians once again through forgotten sound of nature in digital life. Yamaha introduces Sound of Autumn. On one of the most beautiful streets in Seoul, we install sensors around the trees that detect falling leaves. It will digitally record and transform sound bites into music. And by collaborating with famous musicians such as Daft Punk, M83, and Owl City, we bring the sound of nature into music. Now we have a cool project. Let's spread it. We create posters to advertise the project. Each posters will have a unique musical notes that you can scan to hear different takes from different artists. When the music is finished, we ask users to visit the actual street to hear more. Then, when you walk on the street with the application, each sensor sends different sound bites and transfer into music for you to listen. And each sensors play different music. And we create Sound of Autumn album to distribute to online and offline stores. Using nature as musical instrument, Yamaha can prove not only their dedication to make a great range of instruments, but also bring the company into a new digital era. By digitally transforming sound of nature into music, Yamaha can inspire musicians and show new possibilities with other elements. Sound of Autumn is just the beginning. By digitally transforming sound of nature into music, Yamaha can inspire musicians and show new possibilities with other elements, reconnecting people and nature once again.